Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing only what blocks access and inspecting mounts for damage. You need a clean reference. Once the hardware is out, loosely refit the bumper with bolts finger tight and 1/4 turns so it can shift. This lets you see gaps and contact points without committing to torque. Make sure to support the bumper on a stand or jack to hold height. The reason is simple. Controlled slack gives you the ability to fine-tune alignment rather than fight a fully tightened panel. Now focus on the actual fit. You add shims where gaps show and move mounting brackets a few millimeters at a time. Tighten one corner bolt to lock a reference point, then swing the bumper into place and tighten opposite points incrementally so alignment stays centered. If a flange resists, apply localized heat while protecting paint, then reshape gently with a soft mallet and cloth. The why? Small changes compound, so measured iterations prevent overcorrection and keep panel seams even across the width. Finish by torquing fasteners to spec while holding the final alignment position. This locks the work you did. Once torqued, inspect gaps at eye level and step back 3 feet to confirm visual symmetry and flushness with neighboring panels. If you still see a misalignment greater than 3 millimeters, don't force it. Loosen the nearest mounts, remove or add shims, and realign in small steps until uniform. A key troubleshooting tip: unequal bracket per load is the usual culprit. Equalize per load before.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.